What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Right now I'm filming the intro a couple of days after. We had an amazing afternoon of fishing. We caught a bunch of fish, caught some big fish. It was a super great afternoon. We had just experienced some flooding. The stream I was fishing was up crazy high. The parking lot that we parked in a couple days ago was about 3 feet underwater, and that's like 50-60 yards from the stream, so that it was up super high. But we got there at one of my favorite conditions to fish. The stream was just a little hard to wade. You couldn't get out in certain spots. Had some good clarity, a little bit of color to it, and we had an amazing afternoon of fishing. So hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you at the end. There's one. I was just fishing right on the side of this really main current here. There's a nice big soft spot, and just got this nice rainbow here. This guy's been putting up one heck of a fight right here. This high water, these fish are really strong. And we got him. Beautiful rainbow, some gorgeous colors on them. There he is. We'll get him back in. There's another one. Got him, little brown. There he is. Some awesome dots on him. And there he goes. Alright guys, so we're upstream a little ways. We're going to start out fishing this with the indicator rod. I'm going to fish all this soft and slow water with the indicator before I get into it. And then once I get in, we're going to tight line this run all the way up to the head of the run. A lot of good current, a lot of good depth moving through this, so should be good. We're going to try it out and we'll go from there. Oh, there was one. Dang it. There's one. Got him. Nice brown. There he is. Send him back. There's one. First drift. Oh, that was a nice fish. There's another one. Back-to-back drifts. Oh, nice brown. There he is. Starting off hot. My first drift hooked up, lost him. Second drift, just caught that brown. Looking like it's going to be a good one here. There's one. That's a nice fish. That's a really nice fish. This is big. This is big. Man, this is a heavy fish. Oh my God, giant brown. Giant brown. Oh my God. I got him. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is an insane looking fish. Oh my God. Oh, guys, let me get the fly out. All right, guys, look at this fish. I'm giving him a breather. I'm going to pick him up here and show you guys. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous fish. Super long. All right, here, back up. Check that out. That's awesome. Okay, we're going to let this guy home. Let him go. Look at that fish. Probably gonna start working up because it looked like they're feeding off this side here. There's one. Got him. Ooh, flies out already. Just a little brown. Pretty little guy. Send him right back in. See if we can't get some more. There's one. Oh, he's off. There's one. I was just getting ready to pull my line up and I felt it smack it. Don't feel like a bad one. Oh, nice brown. Flies out. There he is. And off he goes. There's one. Rainbow. If I can get him in the net. There we go. Ouch. Oh. There he is. Alright guys, sorry if this looks a little rough. I got you guys on the GoPro right now. I'm not sure if it looks good or not. But we're at a different spot. I don't want to get my camera and stuff out. I got it all packed up. I just wanted to get right out here and start fishing. Because in a little bit, we're going to go back to that spot where I caught that big brown and all those trout. So we're going to give that some time to rest, let the sun get down a little lower, try it again. Should be good. So we're going to fish this for a little bit, see what happens. And then we'll head there. There's one. Oh, that's a nice fish. It's a nice brown. Gotcha, buddy. Awesome. Got my flies out. There he is. Gorgeous brown. Back he goes. There's one. I was just walking down to float this downstream a little bit. We just hooked one. Feels like a nice fish too. I'm gonna get him on the reel. Oh man, my drag was too tight. That was a nice brown. Dang it. All right guys, after a little bit of a hike, we're back to the spot where I was catching those fish, where I caught that nice brown trout at. We're just gonna get right to fishing and see if we can get a couple extra out of here. There's one. That was like my second drift in here. It's always good if you got a couple fish out of a run, leave it rest. You know, let everything calm down. And sometimes you come back and get a couple extra fish. There he is. There's one. Little guy on the squirmy worm. Got him. There he is. Switched up to the Euro rod. Just hooked another fish. Doesn't feel too bad. Oh, it's off. Damn. All right, everybody, if you're still watching, thank you. I really appreciate it. Really helps me and the videos out. Right now I'm getting ready to head back out for the afternoon. The temps at night lately have been really cool. Water levels are up. Fishing's really good right now, so I'm getting ready to head back out. I'll see you guys in the next one.